Now, here's your forecast first from Fox 11 meteorologist Phil DeCastro.
We saw plenty of sunshine over the course of this afternoon, even though it was still a pretty chilly day. Temperatures kind of hovered in the single digits for most of our afternoon, and it looks like got more chilly weather on the way for tomorrow, but that's not what you're going to notice. You're going to see some snow. And the clouds and the snow, they're not here just yet. They're going to arrive probably sometime in the hour or two before we get to around daybreak, which is about 7 a.m. right now. We're going to see that light snow stick with us all the way through, I'd say the first 2/3 of the day. By about 3 o'clock, we're probably seeing those snow showers start to break apart a little bit, just a couple of scattered snow showers, and only picking up a couple of inches from this, but still could be pretty slick out there. The other thing you'll notice is temperature of around 0 by 7 a.m. That won't be our low. We're going to be seeing our temperatures colder than that. They're just probably going to be on their way back up to our high of about 13 degrees. Most spots will top out around that 10 to 13 degree range. Severe weather index is up at moderate right now. Because of that light snow moving in tomorrow, we will see some gusty winds as well, perhaps at times, so blowing snow could once again cause some problems for motorists. Here's a look at that. We're going to see things stay pretty clear overhead until we get to about 2 a.m. and I think this is when the coldest point of our night's going to be. Then the clouds thicken up. We'll see the snow move in towards morning. I think that's why our temperatures start to pop back up a little bit. We'll see that snow stick with us through most of the day, seeing a pretty steady light snow and again, not getting too much out of it, but certainly enough that it could be hazardous. So cold and snow for Sunday, but then the thing is, we're going to get even colder than that as we work on through the start of the work week for the first couple of days, Monday and Tuesday particularly. 13 tomorrow, not too cold, but this system that's moving on past us is bringing in an Arctic blast of air. Take a look at that high temperature for Monday, 6 degrees below zero, still under the grips of that Arctic blast of air. On Tuesday, it's 7 degrees for your high temperature, and Tuesday morning could be really cold, perhaps as low as 20 degrees below zero before you even factor in the winds, and then it kind of retreats a little bit, that Arctic air does, as we move on into Wednesday. High of 18, still a little above zero at least as we move on into Thursday. So as a result of the cold air that's making its way toward us, we got wind chill watches in effect for most of the area. No warnings or advisories just yet because it's not imminent, but they're just letting us know that there is a chance to see some potentially dangerous wind chills 30, 40 degrees below zero as we get to Monday morning and especially on Tuesday morning as well. Temperatures right now below zero at Green Bay, sitting at 1 degree below zero. How about Elcano? Cooled off very quickly. You're at 14 degrees below zero. Temperatures won't be staying that cold all night, though, at zero in Manitowoc as well as in Appleton. Had some clouds earlier. Those have since melted away, and we're just got clear skies right now. Here's that system that's pushing toward us. We're going to see that light snow on the north side of it. But as it's moving on past us, very sharp dividing in temperatures. -1 in Green Bay, 7 in Minneapolis. 50 in Pierre right now, but their temperatures will be falling. We don't really get into that milder air. We're just going to stay on the cold side of this system. So again, here's a look at that. Got the light snow tomorrow moving on through past us over the course of the day. So we're going to take a look at our extended forecast. 13 degrees for your high on Sunday. On Monday, we've got 6 degrees 6 degrees below zero, 11 below to start the day. Tuesday, another frigid day. Wednesday, we start the day cold. But as the system moves past, I think we get back up to 18 for our high temperature, and then perhaps staying below average as we move on through the rest of the week. So this cold air that's coming our way after Sunday, comparable to what we saw 2 weeks ago, if you remember how cold it was then. So that's the kind of weather and the temperatures we can be expecting.
We're going to see those drastic wind chill temperatures as well?
We could. It's a very distinct possibility.
Okay. Possible closings, cancellations to watch for?
Same things that came in hand with the other one.
Okay. Thanks, Phil.